Hey, it's John Tech here, and today we're going to be talking about the all-new One UI 5 Android 13. So the Google has taken its first step toward Android 13 with the release of a developer preview that triggers an update cycle for the mobile OS that generally results in a fall release for the next version of Android. And Android 13 is on a track to take that journey. Specifically, the first developer preview for Android 13 is out now. That's not a surprise, given that the first Android 12 developer preview landed about this time last year. Even with that new release, info about Android 13 is pretty sparse, at least when it comes to the user-facing features. Still, we do have a few nuggets of what we could see this year. Things like a new QR code scanner and the like make the next Android version certainly sound more iterative. The release of Android 13 Developer Preview 1 brings a rough time frame for Google's schedule of updates and beta releases. If you remember Android 12's release schedule, this will look very familiar. Even before we saw that timeline, we figured that final Android 13 release will happen in the fall, around the launch of the Pixel 7. But Google will likely detail the release timeline at its yearly Google I/O conference, which should happen in May. It's worth nothing, Google's Android 13 roadmap seems to peg the first beta of the software for April. That might be a little ahead of the usual schedule, though we would still expect a big Android 13 showcase at Google I/O. We don't know too much about the Android 13 feature set just yet. Just a couple of additions included in Android 13 Developer Preview 1, but some rumored features from Android Police can also fill in the blanks. Added in the first developer preview for Android 13, the new photo picker adopts a feature already available in iOS 15. You will be able to choose whether to share specific photos with an app rather than your whole gallery. The feature adds an extra element of privacy, only letting apps see the specific data you wish to share with them. Another addition in the Android 13 developer preview, nearby device permission now includes a Wi-Fi element. Specifically, a nearby Wi-Fi devices permission allows apps to access your phone's knowledge of Wi-Fi access points, potentially limiting what you share with outside apps. As you may remember, Android 12 allowed icons to shade themselves according to the wallpaper, even if the feature was limited to Google's apps. Based on the developer preview, Android 13 extends that capability to third-party apps. Screenshots obtained by Android Police show two new QR code scanner options. The first is allowing you to access your phone scanner from the lock screen, meaning you can scan restaurant menus without unlocking your device. This will certainly be welcome. Android might be getting its own media handoff feature to rival the iPhone and HomePods. If you don't know, you can hand off media to a HomePod mini by tapping your iPhone to it. If Android Police's source is correct, Android 13 could see Media TTT or Media Tap to Transfer. This would allow you to tap on your phone to some device, like a Nest speaker, to transfer the media playback to it. How this will work remains unclear at this time. Android Police thinks Google won't stop with a photo picker, making changes to any media output picker. This is where you choose what speaker plays your media, whether it's your phone's loudspeakers, your Bluetooth earbuds, etc. A new report from ISPER has found commands in the developer beta that suggest Google will let you adjust the brightness of your flashlight, rather than simply having it on or off. This feature has been present in iOS and some Android brands for some time, so it will be useful to have this feature built in by default. Android 13 Developer Preview 2 is introducing notification permissions, basically copying iOS exactly. This means that you can outright deny apps from sending you notifications when you first launch them, as long as developers build in the functionality. Android 13 will add support for Bluetooth LE audio, meaning you can get higher quality audio with less energy expenditure. Android 13 will also add support for MIDI 2.0 devices. So that's all I have it for you guys. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about the Android 13. And before you're leaving, please hit that subscribe button and I will see you soon.